Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you're holding up okay, you and your families. Hope you're all doing okay and staying safe. Well, this is just a really brief video of me media blasting some of the parts for the Manxman. Here's one example. This was a number of months ago actually, so hadn't even got into self-isolating then, but I did have the mask on. So yeah, here's one example. As you can see, I decided not to have some of the Manxman parts dipped and fired in the kiln because, for example, here this has got a tube and I didn't want some of those nasty chemicals to get inside things like this. And also the frame at some point, we'll do that another time. So there's a good video coming this weekend. It's a lot longer. I hope you will enjoy it. And I've actually got a backlog caught up on the video front, so quite a few videos on the Manxman, quite a lot to share with you over the next couple or 3 weeks. Okay, so take care of yourselves guys, and I'll speak to you again soon. All right, see ya.
Like a jug I dump it into, and then you can pour it in.
Anyway, this will help you. Yeah, good enough to experiment.
Try it. And you know, cedars are supposed to be resistant to insects.
Yeah, well, I've seen a lot of forests that have the beetle blight.
Yes.
Or the beetle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Really good.
Is that getting it off?
Yeah,
Yeah, but look what's really tough.
I know. I'm
The
gonna
good
I'll
old
try a little
blue.
bit more of that, but I'm not
Yeah.
bothered if it stays on.
And with the well, you know how it is with the alloy, it gets that tarnished look.
Yeah.
And the soda will brighten, or like you've seen, it brightens it all up like it's brand new.
Cylinder head.
Yeah. Doing a lot of it. Yeah. That looks pretty darn good, actually.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that looks
That works
good.
perfect. Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah, you're right there on the camera.
Yeah, excellent.
Did you get all the blue?
Yeah, I think so. Just tiny little
Yeah, I can see
traces.
you went all nice and smooth when you
Yeah,
repaint.
really, really good.
Yeah. Good going.
Awesome. Awesome.